Mars can be regarded as the future home for us humans, as every day that goes by is a closer step for scientists and humanity to finally inhabit the red desert-like planet. But there are many scary mysteries about this planet that will surely change your mind about booking a flight to this red rocky planet in the near future. NASA have also been baffled and speechless after discovering hidden secrets about Mars and are still to this day unable to answer mysterious figures and locations found by NASA's rover Curiosity. Join us and buckle your seatbelts as we travel to the unknown and uncover what NASA had recently discovered on Mars and what mysteries could lie on its surface. Before we get into the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Puzzled for more puzzling and mind-boggling content. On May 7, 2022, NASA's Curiosity rover had been exploring the mysteries of planet Mars and had been carrying out its typical daily tasks when it stumbled across something that cannot simply be explained. This discovery had left scientists and the public stunned as it sent NASA the following images. This unexplainable landmark on the surface of Mars looked like a secret opening of some sort and did not look very natural with its surroundings. In fact, many are believing this to be some sort of a secret doorway to a hidden vessel beneath the red planet. Could this really be a so-called alien door? And could there be some sort of advanced alien life currently living on Mars? Although from first glances, it is hard to spot on the actual panoramic image of the hillside situated above. It is clearer to make out if you see the single frame where the image first shows. It really does look like a doorway, and you would be forgiven for thinking the same, but it's only when you truly look deeply into the image you realize how small it is. Scientists also had increased the contrast in the dark parts of the image, which displayed an image that merely reveals a solid rock at the back of the slight shadowed interior, giving us the knowledge that this entry into the hollow hills of Mars doesn't lead very far. Okay, so we figured it could not have been a mysterious doorway leading to a top-secret alien bunker, but there are many other sightings and discoveries that could just support the idea of there being intelligent life on Mars. This can be from smaller life forms, such as bacteria and water, that are still being researched. However, there are much more scarier cases of potential life, such as fully developed alien life forms living on Mars today. There are many confusing sightings on the red planet. One recently popular controversy was the mystery man on Mars. The supposed sighting had begun on a blog, UFO Sightings Daily to be exact. In a large image originally sent back by the Mars rover in last year, Scott C. Waring, the writer of the blog, claimed to have spotted a person lying down on the surface of the planet. Scott later said, and quote, "Well, I came across something unique. Something that is 100% proof of intelligent life. There is a person laying down watching the NASA Mars rover from a safe distance away." Scott continued by describing the mysterious figure by saying the person is about 1 foot tall, 3 meters, and is laying down, pinkish upper chest, neck, and face, reddish hair, wearing a dark suit, but has a gray object over one shoulder, looks like a backpack of some sort. There are even footprints behind the person leading up to the location they chose to lay down at. Has Scott really spotted an alien on Mars? The truth is, while we can't really say for sure that the Mars rover Curiosity hasn't ever spotted an alien, the picture is far from any solid evidence of alien life. In fact, it is almost certainly just a simple trick of the eye. You see, the image is actually just a rock that looks very similar to that of a physical life form. What about this image, however? Doesn't it seem like NASA's rover has spotted something rather unusual among the usually uninhabited and rocky Martian landscape? The pictures show what seems to be a small, fluffy rodent and is quite baffling to scientists. Although it cannot be completely explained officially, curious and intrigued users on the internet have come to the conclusion that it's probably just another optical illusion in the form of rocks. And on the subject of animals, what about this object here? Doesn't it look like a fossil of an animal that resembles an iguana? Could it be evidence of life that once lived on the rocky planet? Well, it could all be thanks to a phenomenon called pareidolia, which is when your brain recognizes a familiar object or pattern, despite it not actually being there, like the so-called person laying down on the surface of Mars. It's also unfortunate for us curious explorers that this apparent life form is merely but another rock. But hey, What do you think? Is it really a Martian mouse or a fossil of an iguana? And could there really be alien life that NASA is keeping secret from us Earthlings? How about we just wait on Elon Musk to find out for us with his SpaceX missions in the future? Speaking of Elon, check out this video of the most extravagant items Elon owns. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Help support us by smashing that like button and subscribing for more of the best puzzling content like this. Have a good day and see you soon.